What's up, guys? Welcome to the Cross Country channel. I would like to share with you the experience of my recent trip and show how in North America you can easily and inexpensively arrange a short week-long vacation. The endpoint of the trip was a beach holiday in a small town in southern Florida, whose name is Destin. Destin is named after Leonard Destin, a New London, Connecticut fishing captain who settled in the area between 1845 and 1850. He built a New England colonial home at the location of the Moreno Point Military Reservation. Captain Destin and his descendants fished the area for decades. Condominiums were first built in Destin during the 1970s, although Destin was not incorporated as a municipality until 1984. The city has experienced rapid growth since the 1980s. Today, this town, renowned for its pristine white sand beaches and emerald green waters, is a captivating coastal haven on the Gulf of Mexico. Boasting a vibrant harbor, it's a hub for water sports, fishing, and boating. The city offers a blend of relaxation and adventure, with upscale resorts, seafood restaurants, and championship golf courses dotting the landscape. Families cherish its family-friendly atmosphere, while nature enthusiasts explore nearby state parks and marine life. With charming boutiques and a lively nightlife, Destin is a year-round destination for sun-seekers and vacationers, promising a perfect blend of coastal beauty and southern hospitality. While the city lacks the popularity that is present in the cities of central and southern Florida, Destin is not inferior to these regions in terms of infrastructure, entertainment, and certainly in the beauty of local beaches. I have never seen such white sand even in Sarasota. There is no wild popularity, which means real estate prices are somewhat lower, so the ordinary middle class of Americans is trying to buy a piece of land closer to the sea and build a house there. In addition, hotel prices are also not very expensive. The main part of the city stretches along the Gulf Coast. Walking around the city, you can enjoy restaurants, attractions, and simply beautiful houses. However, if you have an electric scooter or bicycle, it will be much more convenient to enjoy, since it is not so convenient to constantly stop by car to go somewhere, and walking is too exhausting, especially in the summer. Also, one of the main attractions of Destin is Crab Island. To get there, you need to have a swimming device or go down and rent a boat with everyone. However, the best way is to rent a jet ski for a few hours. It's true that it's better to do this without children. On the first day of visiting this place, the weather was not very good, and due to weekdays, there were few people. Let's explore great view from drone capture. Close to sunset time, we oftentimes visited Harbor Broadwalk. This bustling boardwalk, stretching along the stunning Gulf of Mexico, invites visitors to immerse themselves in the heart of Destin's coastal charm. Lined with vibrant shops, seafood restaurants, and local boutiques, the Harbor Walk is a vibrant tapestry of Gulf culture. From here, embark on fishing charters, boat tours, or simply savor freshly caught seafood at waterfront eateries. The Harbor Walk comes alive with the rhythm of live music, offering a perfect backdrop for a leisurely evening stroll. As the sun dips below the horizon, the boardwalk transforms into a magical setting, with breathtaking views of the harbor lights reflecting on the emerald waters. Families, couples, and solo travelers alike find an array of activities, from dolphin watching to exploring the myriad of shops. The harbor walk isn't just a destination, it's an experience that captures the essence of Destin's coastal allure. Whether you're seeking a relaxing day by the water, a culinary adventure, or a lively night out, the harbor walk in Destin promises an unforgettable journey along the picturesque Emerald Coast. Overall, it's a wonderful and inexpensive family vacation. 1 tank of gas there and 1 tank back. Plus, the cost of living. In general, Americans quite often travel with their own equipment, so they often simply bring a water scooter with them, as well as umbrellas and sun loungers, so as not to pay for it on vacation. The way back was also not boring. We enjoyed the scenic Southeast American Road, the cotton fields of Alabama, and Providence Canyon Park. The last one, by the way, surprised me. The fact is that it is located at the intersection of the states of Georgia and Alabama. In Georgia, the soil is predominantly reddish in color. In Alabama, the color of the soil is closer to ochre. In this park, these colors mix with each other. They also say that there is a purple color of the earth there, but I didn't go that far there. Let's explore and enjoy this beautiful road back. Don't forget subscribe. See you next time in next place.